Picture a world where AI rules, but there's hope for us humans yet. In a twist even the smartest algorithms didn't see coming, it turns out there are some jobs that even the slickest robots can't snatch away. From sales bureaus who charmed their way to quotas, to marketing mavens who can outwit any algorithm, and let's not forget the graphic designers who make AI-generated art look like child's play. So the big question is, will your job survive the robot uprising? Buckle up, because we're about to unveil the top 10 careers that AI just can't crack. Number 10. Human Resources Managers. It's kind of the name, but your company's human resources department will likely always need a human at the helm to manage interpersonal conflict with the help of non-cognitive and reasoning skills. Problem solving, contextual understanding, and unique business knowledge also make a human better equipped for this job. The field is projected to grow 7.3% by 2031 as companies scale and need more robust structures for supporting and helping employees. Number 9. Sales Managers. Sales managers need high emotional intelligence to hit their monthly quotas, network and collaborate with customers, and motivate and encourage the larger sales team. Managers also have to analyze data and interpret trends. The high levels of intelligence required and the constant need to adapt to new situations make this role safe from automation. Number 8. Marketing Managers. Marketing managers have to interpret data, monitor trends, oversee campaigns, and create content. They also have to nimbly adapt and respond to changes and feedback from the rest of the company and customers, making this another human-forward career AI isn't quite ready to replicate. A unique contextual understanding and previous business experience make a human stand out from an automated system. Number 7. Public Relations Managers. Successful PR managers rely on a network of relationships and contacts to procure press placements and buzz for the companies they represent, making this another completely safe role. PR managers who have to raise awareness around an issue or mission need a particularly human touch to raise funds or get people to participate in a campaign. 2. And jobs are expected to grow 7.6% by 2024. Number 6. Chief Executives. It's nearly impossible to automate leadership. After all, it's hard enough to teach it. Chief executives must inform broad strategy, represent companies' missions and objectives, and motivate huge teams of people working for them. Executives also have years of prior experience that make them successful. Companies may answer to stakeholders and boards of directors, who likely wouldn't want a robot giving them an earnings report either. Number 5. Event Planners. Event planning is a growing field, and if you ask anyone on our events team here at HubSpot, whether you're planning an event for employees, customers, or an industry event with tens of thousands of attendees, the planning process has many moving parts involved. Planners have to coordinate and negotiate with vendors, contractors, and freelancers to make things come together, and the organizational and people skills involved will make this another near impossible role to automate. Number 4. Writers. The large score difference is likely due to developments and advancements in language models post-2013 that can write entire blog posts or social media content. Writers have to ideate, create, and produce original written material, something that AI writing tools have not yet been able to replicate in the same way as humans. See recent BuzzFeed controversy about AI-generated travel articles. There are also many types of writers, some of which might be more at risk. An experienced journalist will likely be favored over AI, but a freelance copywriter may no longer be needed by a business that now uses AI to write Instagram captions. Number 3. Software developers. The large score difference is likely because of new back-end tools that help web developers write entirely new code, fill in gaps, and debug. Software engineering and development is complex enough for human beings, and the time and skill investment needed to create applications, software, and websites will be tough to replicate, especially since developers need to execute perfectly to create great products for customers. The field is expected to grow by 30.3% by 2024, so if you're a software developer, you're sitting pretty for now. Number 2. Editors. While the automated proofreading technology mentioned previously can take a load off, editors have to review writers' submission for clarity, accuracy, comprehensiveness, and originality. Some software can spot check for clarity and scan for plagiarism, but editor role must be carried out by a human in order to read work as another human would. Number 1. Graphic designers. Image generators like Midjourney and DALL-E make it easy for people to create what they want, but graphic design is an artistic and technical field best suited for someone with fine arts training and experience. Like writing, graphic design work must be original and tailored to a unique use case. If a graphic designer is working with a business, it also requires building a relationship between both parties throughout the design process. Plus, some image creators have been found to plagiarize artists' work. A lawsuit is likely the last thing people want. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.